Hi everyone, this is Li Yen from UrbanHijau, and today I would like to talk to you about a continuation of our previous video, which is Produce No Waste. Now, UrbanHijau, we collect at least 80 to 100 kilograms of coffee ground waste from neighboring cafes in the community. And while we know that coffee grounds waste is good for a slow nitrogen release fertilizer as well as an ant deterrent, we have been thinking very hard about how else to use so much of our coffee grounds waste around our farm, as well as putting it into our compost bins. Now, fun fact here, did you know that coffee grounds, which has caffeine in it, even though they're waste, caffeine is a growth inhibitor. So it is great for using it as a weed killer or weed deterrent around places where you do not want weeds to be. So for example, here in our greenhouse, we have weeds growing around the edges of our entrances and of our greenhouse. So what we have been doing is, we've been pulling out the weeds, just like this, making sure we get most of the roots out. Then we apply a generous layer of coffee grounds around that area, same area, to ensure that the roots stop growing. So here is also an example of an attitudinal principle in permaculture, where we say that the problem is the solution. So while at first we thought of the amounts of coffee grounds, we have so much of it, we didn't think of how we can use it as a mulch. So since we have started applying coffee grounds as mulch around our farm, we have noticed big improvements around those areas. And it goes to show that sometimes the problem of having too much coffee grounds waste is actually our solution to mulching. So here we are in our chicken coop, where we did a test experiment on using coffee grounds as mulch. So here it used to be weeds everywhere, and so to clear it out, we actually pulled out the weeds and then we layered a thick coffee grounds waste mulch all around this area. And so as you can see here, after 1 week, this area has been relatively weeds free, and as you can see here, these are all the dried up weeds around this area. So there you have it. Produce no waste. Sometimes the problem is the solution. So if you have something that you think is a problem that you want to get rid of, think about it rather as a resource that can be used to solve a problem. There you have it. I'll see you the next time.